Hello, this is my 2010 bike check. At the moment I'm riding the Federal 4-piece bars, Shadow Tack stem, and United Squad forks. I've got Shadow pegs, little ones. I've got a Fly rim, Fly front hub, Federal tyre, United Forte frame, so I've got these pedals, don't really know what they are, just these weird ones I got off a mountain bike. Prima hollow bike cranks, 20 sprocket, 25.2, KMC hollowed out chain, Duo pivotal seat, Shadow seat post stumped, integrated seat clamp, FSA headset, Odyssey hazard light rim, Primo Mix cassette, 9-tooth driver, Shadow peg, little one, and a Federal tyre. And that's it, I think. Oh yeah. 20 grips. I think they're quite nice to ride with. 20 plugs, whatever they're called, I forgot. Oh yeah, bar ends. And that's it. Okay, thank you.